Every day we wake up, go to work, sleep, and repeat, week after week, year after year. When we think about this recurring cycle, it's easy to feel discouraged, but if you learn to take notice, you might be surprised to find a lot of joy in your daily life. Lately, I've been trying to read more. It's a relaxing hobby reading at a coffee shop or before bed, and it feels nice to take a break from screens. I just stopped by the library. I just picked up 5 Broken Blades, which is a fantasy. I usually don't read fantasy, but it must have been recommended if I put it on my shelf, so hopefully this is good. It's quite long. And then I had some time, so I was browsing the manga section, and I saw this. It's so thick, but it's the complete 20th anniversary edition of Paradise Kiss. It's like a romance. I've read it once before, but I really like it, so why not? I have the whole thing here. If I had to pick one thing in everyday life that can improve my mood, it's food. During my commute, I'll think about what snack I want to eat when I'm home. Having dinner plans at tasty restaurants is also something that gets me through dull work days.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. I really like Korean food, so I'm excited for it.
Just bring I'd bring layers for sure.
There's a Korean term I learned in the past that always resonated with me. 소확행, which is short for 소소하지만 확실한 행복, meaning small but certain happiness. It could be anything from getting a soothing massage, seeing a beautiful view after work, to even the feeling of accomplishment after checking something off your to-do list. It's nice to have big events to look forward to, like travel or holidays, but it's equally important to have small things that bring you happiness. I hope this video serves as a reminder that there are lots of good things around you, so go take a look.